Hi, I want to. I will try to explain something about viruses, and I will try to explain this in English if I can. I will try. Uh, what's a virus and what's a living creature? I will try to say about some say something about this. Uh, the living creatures separating to two branches. One is prokaryotes and second is eukaryotes. Uh, Eukaryote cells are have a nucleus and their genetic material is in this nucleus. But prokaryote cell have no nucleus and their genetic material is spreading in the cell. Uh, and we are in the part of eukaryotes. We have eukaryote cells, and our cells, when they assemble, our cells make the tissues, and tissues, when they are collaborating, they are making organs, and the organs, when they are working with the systems, this is an organisms, and we are organisms, mammalian organisms, and we are primates, and we are in the family of animals in the systematic science. And with the animals, there are two other living family, we can say, animals, plants, and fungus. Uh, the animals family are quite large, and most of our friends are insects. There are too much insects in animals family, and in plants, plants can produce their their feed from the sun, and this is their specialties. And fungus is another family member, we can say, and this is the three type of eukaryote cells creatures. And virus, I want to say about something about virus. Virus is neither eukaryote, neither prokaryote, but and we are not sure that viruses are living creature, or they are not they are not living creatures. And some scientists say that they are living because they have a genetic material and they can reproduce. But some scientists say that they eat nothing, and uh, they have they have no organelles, and they can't move. Uh, they can't move. Uh, Viruses are parasites, and they cannot move self their self by their self. They must find a they must find something to can move, and will be this can be a human, this can be a cat, this can be a plant, something else, and they can reproduce with their cells. The virus attack cells of a plant, of a cat, of a human, of an animal, and they send their genetic material in the cell of an eukaryote cell, and they say they order to the cell that they will produce now the virus's structure, only virus structure, and the little cell start to make the virus's genetic code, to start to work the virus's genetic code, and the cell start to produce viruses, and then the cell make too much viruses, and it it explodes, and we have now too much new viruses that will attack to other cells. Yes, the history, little history of the viruses was that, and I think you understood my English. Thank you very much. Bye bye.